Last time we cut that scarf angle neck, one of the comments that I got, I think, was an excellent comment. They'd like to see the feeds and speeds at the same time as the CNC content. I thought that was a really cool idea, so I'm going to try to integrate the simulation from Fusion 360 with the actual toolpath cut on the machine. It's not perfect, but I'm still tweaking it, but I think it's a really cool idea. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you want to see more of that stuff. That's the other comment that I keep getting a ton of comments about, is like why I'm cutting a profile and then taking it off the machine and then cutting that out with a bandsaw and putting it back on the machine. So the reason that I'm doing that is that I'm trying to avoid slot cutting, for one, so because this is a 1 3/4 inch thick, so to have a slot that's that far, that's a very deep cut, right? It's multiple times the width of the bit, so you're always going to run into trouble with surface finish when you're doing that, so I try to avoid it. And the other problem is that when you're slot milling, you're 100% tool engagement, right? So that tool is cutting all the way across its diameter. So that causes surface finish, chatter, all kinds of stuff like that. So my experience has shown me that to just cut a profile so I know exactly where it's going to be, go out, bandsaw that outline, and then I'm only cutting half of the dimension of that bit. And that gives me a much smoother cut, and I don't have to worry about anything getting caught in there, anything tripping up, damaging the part. Awesome questions. I love getting the questions, so keep those up. If you're new to the channel and you want to see lots of CNC, guitar, instrument building content, please like, please subscribe. We also have the Patreon account, so not these one, but the violin and the mandolin and the nickel harpa, I'm sharing those Fusion 360 files if you want to see how I do that in Fusion 360. That's a really good way to see that. $1 a month is what I'm asking, so it's not going to break the bank. But access to some pretty cool stuff that I've got coming up too. Today we're going to cut out this body, so it's a really cool big format body. Here we go. I thought that was pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know, let me hear your comments, let me hear your questions. Let's keep those coming. So thanks for watching, and next time we're back on the violin. So I got another violin episode coming up, and I've also got a Fusion 360 episode coming up. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe if you want to see those videos, and have a good night.